Hey guys, I bought these DENSO Platinum TT plugs. I'm about to install them in a Honda Pilot that has over 200,000 miles, and the Honda Pilot calls for Iridium spark plugs. And if you know anything about spark plugs, Iridium spark plugs are pretty expensive, especially the original ones that came in the Honda Pilot. They're like 9, 10, even in some cases, depending on where you're buying them, $11, $12 a piece for one spark plug. Now they have their advantages. The Iridium spark plugs will last over 100,000 miles, in some cases 120,000 miles. So they're very long lasting. But in the case of this Honda Pilot that's got over 200,000 miles, I don't want to spend that much on spark plugs. So I looked for a cheaper alternative and I ran across these DENSO Platinum TT plugs. And these are, in most places, you're probably going to find them for less than $3 a spark plug. I'll put a link down below to where you can get them on Amazon. I'll also put that link in the comments down below. But with these DENSO TT plugs, they are platinum, so the center electrode, so this center electrode here is platinum, right here, this little guy right here. And then the tip on the ground strap is a titanium alloy. So really durable. Platinum is very durable, and then the titanium alloy is very durable. So these plugs are good for at least 75,000 miles. And when you start looking at the cost, so I can either buy Iridium for 10, 11, 12 bucks a plug, or I can buy these for less than $3 a plug. And the only difference is that with the Iridiums, I'm maybe getting another 25 or 35,000 miles out of them versus these plugs that are good for 75,000 miles at least, and potentially more. So let's pull one of these out and look at it, and we can talk about some of the features on it. So let's see here. So DENSO and NGK make fantastic plugs. You can just tell the quality when you hold it in your hand. Made in Japan, of course. These are the plugs that are used by most of the Japanese vehicles. And so let's take a look at the tip here. I really appreciate how they put this plastic sleeve around it so that they don't get damaged in shipping. Okay, so there you can see the tip is a 1.1 millimeter platinum tip, and these are gapped at 40 thousandths or 40 hundredths. I'm not sure. 0.4 is what the gap's at. And then on the inside here, you can see there on the ground strap, there's another little tab in there, and that is the titanium alloy. So you can see how that's welded in on the top there. And so what that does is it provides two durable spots for the spark to jump the gap here. So that's normally what happens when your spark plugs wear out. This tip in here wears out and the gap expands to the point where it's too difficult for your ignition system to send the spark from one side to the other side. And so either the tip will wear out or the ground strap here will wear out. And then over time, you're not going to get as good fuel economy and the engine won't run as well. So, and this, by having these two tips here, it helps with the growth of the spark here. So if you don't have this other tip here on the ground strap, the growth of the spark plug isn't controlled as well. So by having these both here, you can have a nice strong spark that's unobstructed and will provide you better fuel economy. And seriously, we're looking at a spark plug that's less than $3. Some places you can get this spark plug for like $2.30, $2.40. That's incredible when you consider the quality of this spark plug. Really, really high quality, platinum spark plug. And again, a titanium alloy tip here on the ground strap. Great plug. I'm going to go ahead and throw these into the Honda Pilot. I'll probably do another video and just show you what the Iridium spark plug looks like versus this DENSO Platinum TT. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.